How long does it take to become a scientist?
How long does it take to become a scientist? Well, when you think of a scientist, you might think of somebody who looks like this or like this. But when you look at the definition of a scientist, it's actually much broader. A scientist, according to the dictionary, is a person who conducts scientific research or investigation, but also an expert in or student of science, especially one or more of the natural or physical sciences. Looking at the second part of the definition first, that might include some of you. I imagine that some of you know a lot more about certain areas of science than I do. You might know a lot about dinosaurs or animals, or things about the environment and climate change. Some of you might spend your time doing experiments at home, like building volcanoes or extracting DNA from fruit. If that sounds like you, then you can call yourself a scientist and keep on researching and learning. In terms of scientist as a job, it takes quite a while. The standard route starts with taking one or more sciences and usually maths at higher and advanced higher level. This is then followed by an undergraduate degree like a Bachelor's of Science. During this degree, the student will learn more about their chosen science, as well as undertaking practical lab-based practical sessions. They will usually undertake a research project towards the end of their degree. This is usually followed by either a master's degree, or some people will go on straight towards a PhD. During a PhD, a student will research a specific topic within their chosen field for 3 to 4 years and will write a thesis discussing all that they have learned on their topic before defending it in what is called a viva. A PhD is required for most jobs as a research scientist, although all scientists will still continue to learn new things as they work on new research projects. The point at which an individual might choose to call themselves a scientist varies. For some, they will have always considered themselves a scientist, while others will wait till they've been awarded either their undergraduate degree or their PhD, or others wait until they've had their first scientific paper published.